Hi, I am Meg, an aspiring virtual assistant. Just a heads up that the videos that I will upload in this channel or account will focus on sharing the things that I will learn as I work toward of becoming a virtual assistant. Please take note guys that I am not yet a virtual assistant. I am not expert in this field, and just like you, if you are a beginner watching this, I am also a beginner trying all my best to research to know more about this field and become successful. So why I created this account? I created this account first for me to record my journey. Second, to share my knowledge and how will apply it even though I don't have client. And lastly, I think that this might serve as my portfolio that I will showcase to my client in the future because the videos that I will upload here contains on how I will put the knowledge that I learn in real life or how will I apply it in real life, imagining that I have a client. So if you are interested to follow my journey to becoming a virtual assistant, subscribe and follow this channel for more future videos and updates. Bye bye.